it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. I'm here today with
Asalee.
How old are you, Asalee?
6.
We're practicing the moves for Asalee's Christmas song. So we hold our microphone with one hand, like this. We put our other hand down at our side like this. And can you say the words out loud with me?
Yes.
Jesus, our brother, kind and good, was humbly born in a stable, rude. Take this hand. And the friendly beasts around him stood. Jesus, our brother, kind and good. And then we take our hand like this. I, said the donkey, shaggy and brown. I carried his mother uphill and down. I carried her safely to Bethlehem town. And then back to I, said the donkey, shaggy and brown. And when you say brown, then switch your hands on the microphone so we can use the other hand to gesture. And then we do this same gesture again. Then every beast by some good spell in the stable dark was glad to tell of the gift he gave, and look up with your eyes, Emmanuel. The gift he gave, Emmanuel. And that's
You
it.
have a lot of leaves.
I know,
today.
They all fell last night. Can you give 2 thumbs up for the friendly beasts?
Yes.
Hooray.